Hello friends, this is the video to learn how to change and set default location in weather application. Click on home or click on this left side panel settings, scroll down and launch location. You can select always detect my location, so you can change and set. Once you change city, location in this weather application will be changed. Also you can select default location. So just here you need to write the name of particular city like London. So just search London and select it. Once you select and you see the city name here, click on home button. So this is the way and settings to change and set default location in weather application. Thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.